Think YouTube SEO is just adding keywords? Think again. If your videos aren't getting views, you might be making one simple SEO mistake. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the YouTube SEO strategy that helps videos get discovered by the right audience, even if your channel is brand new. Step 1. Find the right keyword. Before you record, search your topic. Look at the autocomplete suggestions. Those are real searches people make. Use one main keyword. It is that simple. Step 2. Put the keyword in the title. Make it appear naturally, clear, and specific. Don't stuff multiple keywords. Writing a strong description is vital for your video. Use your main keyword in the very first 2 lines. Then explain what viewers will learn from your content. Include related keywords naturally to help people find you. Step 4. Use relevant tags. Tags aren't the biggest ranking factor anymore, but they still help YouTube understand your content. Use your main keyword plus a few related terms. SEO gets your video seen. Your thumbnail gets it clicked. Use bold text and high contrast, and share one clear message. That is how you get views. Want to boost your YouTube watch time? Then you need to start with a strong hook. Cut out all those boring intros and keep them watching until the very end. Step 7. Keep viewers watching. At the end of your video, recommend another related video. More session time tells YouTube your content keeps people engaged. Step 8 is all about how you say the keyword naturally during your presentation to help your video rank much better. Welcome to step 9, where we add chapters and captions. This makes your content much easier to understand, both for your viewers and for the YouTube algorithm. So make sure to utilize them. Step 10. Focus on just one single topic. One clear solution. Just try this. One common mistake. Many creators copy trending keywords that don't match. Viewers leave quickly and your rankings drop. So make sure your keywords always match your content. Final tip. YouTube SEO isn't about tricking the algorithm. It's about helping YouTube understand and helping viewers find exactly what they're searching for. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and I'll show you how to get more views with smart content strategies, not luck.